Hi there, welcome to you in PSD to WordPress theme development tutors in lesson 3. In the second tutorial we have done so far, so today we are going to start our work from here. Make dynamic menu and make the menus like our PSD file. Here are the menus. So as we are making our work PSD to directly WordPress and not making PSD to HTML then WordPress, so we work directly on our theme file. So I'm going to open my theme file, Draco, and first I need to create a function.php file. Functions.php file, and here I need add function.theme dynamic. So here is the function that I need to register my theme name. So register WordPress name menu, and my menu's name is main menu. Okay, and I need bootstrap nav worker file to dynamic the bootstrap menu. So I'm going to copy this line in my theme file. Okay, so here I need a inc folder and this PHP file. So I'm going to open my Draco theme, then inc folder. In the inc folder I need this file. Okay, I have added this file. Now I'm going to open my index.php file. Here is index.php file, and here is my navigation. So to make dynamic this navigation I need dynamic code. So I'm going to copy this code from my reference theme or another theme. So first I need to add my menu ID here. So my menu ID is main menu. So I'm going to add main menu, theme location that will added in the main menu, container ID, container div, and container ID is this one. Before UL, this one is our container ID, and container class is before UL class. Okay, now we need to add UL class. So I'm going to add my UL class right here. We are done. Now going to check my menu right here. Nothing come here. So I'm going to my dashboard. Going to add a menu. So I'm going to add main menu, then click save. Now I can check my browser. We still don't see any navigation. Okay, I'm going to check my website. Okay, we are going to reload our menus again. So I see my menus appear here, and here is the statistic menu. So to fix this, I'm going to cut this one and remove this menu. Just keep this line here. Okay, now looks perfect. If we update any menus from here, for example, I am going to add two others menus and click on the save. Now I'm going to check. Wow, this menu is working now. Now I can change the home, about, our services, contract, portfolio, save change. Okay, looks good. Now we need to add our CSS here. So I am going to add our CSS right here. So before that, main menu, okay, so I'm going to add some CSS here. Going to add a class, main menu, right here, then add my CSS, main menu, ul, lie a hover. Okay, main menu, ul lie a lie a hover. Okay, now I'm going to add CSS here. Inspect element, padding, 30 pixel, looks good. Text transform, uppercase. We're going to visit our PSD file. Pop in font size 16 regular, okay, and checking our padding. Okay, 90 pixel. Font opens, margin, okay, and we have to add first child. So first I'm going to add this class coffee lie first child. I'm going to fix this text. CSS first child, margin, left 0 pixel, okay, wow, looks good. Also we can add padding, padding left 0 pixel, okay, now it looks perfect, and we can simply remove the padding from the bottom, or we can add a padding in here in the main menu, padding 50 pixel, and we can check our padding. Also there have a border padding 50 pixel, okay, 25 pixel, okay. So now I'm going to fix this issue. Main menu, .30 pixel, border top 2 pixel, solid D, or you can make it okay, margin 20 pixel, .30 pixel, okay. I'm going to save this. main menu, and header top, padding top 30 pixel. Okay, we can remove the padding from here. Padding 0 pixel. Okay, now it looks perfect. Main menu, and we can add a hover effect right here. Background, color, looks nice. Wow, looks pretty good now. So thank you for your time to watch this video. In the next tutorials we will start building our website or start working from the below slider section. We start work on here, right here, the company and our business. This section will finish in the next tutorial. So hope you will continue these tutorials. So thank you again for your time to watch this video. If you like this video, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.